Hey, hello guys, welcome back again. So let's start from here. So in the last video you have seen that we have built this dashboard. Now let's do some formatting. Okay, so let's go to this chart first. Let's try to have more colors and make into the beautiful. Okay, again go back to this one and just make this. Okay, so it looks nice. Okay, let's start from this one only. So let's first resize the chart one by one and make at the proper space in between the chart. Okay, so let's reduce this one also and let's increase the size of this one. Okay. And okay, let's start with this one first, the first chart. Okay, so let's do the formatting for this chart first. So go to the visual page, first go to the x-axis. Now you have the font, select the font. So generally you can select anyone, but I prefer to Calibri for the normal, and make the size is 10. Okay, so make, yeah, so it's 9, make the 10. Then colors always the black, the dark black, and maximum area 25, leave it. Then after the value we will go to the title. Title is, we don't need the title, only we don't require this title because this chart itself is a average yearly income by occupation. So of the chart, go to the y axis, range, keep range as it is, no changes. Go to the values, just to make this font again to Calibri and keep the size is 10. Okay, and the color is dark black. Display unit should be the auto. Here you will have thousands, millions, billions, trillions, but keep as auto for now. And then decimal place will be the auto, no issue. Title, here we need the title. Okay, so go to the title and make it title always in the Cambria format. Now it's 12, make them 10. If you want you can make them bold, but we don't require the bold here. If you see the bold, if look like this, leave it as it is, no bold. Go to the legend, so title is y-axis is done, go to the legend. Yeah, so you see the legend is right now here, it's male versus, female versus male. Top left, so go to the top right, this place, I think it looks better. Go to the text is something again, go to Calibri, 10 is okay, color is black, and the title, we don't want to put the title, this looks fine. Okay, because if you just hover to any of the chart, you will see the gender is male or female. Okay, so you don't need to. If you want, you can just keep as it is, no issue, something like that, gender, it looks okay. So I go to the grid lines, We don't need to worry about the grid lines. Zoom slicer, no issue. Go to the columns. Columns is again F and M. Spacing, no issue. Data label, we make them the data to look something good. So I think you can see that what is the data exactly. So just on the data label, series is okay. Go to the horizontal position. Okay, fine. Value, again you need to make everything into the Calibri. 9, 10 is okay, and color is complete dark. Display unit is auto, no need to change anything. Background, keep as it is, no issue. Plot area, that's it. Okay, so go to the second option, the general. In the general, so let's go to general. Let's go to see the property. It's saying something like height and width. So leave it. Go to the title. So what title you wanted to give here? So right now it's by default average of yearly income by occupation and gender. So just see that average yearly income by occupation and gender. Okay, let's look fine. Then heading 3, no issue. Again go to Cambria, max to max 12 font size, not more than that. And if you want, you can put into the bold. Color is no issue. Make them into in between. I mean, not left or right, in between only. Okay. Effects. If you wanted to go to the effects, go to the background. You can see background is right now white. We don't want to make any changes for today. Visual borders. Okay, so make them off and put the one. Okay, so if you come here, you will see the borders, right? So it's always, I mean, we should always have the borders. It looks very good. Okay, came back to the effect viewer there. Visuals border is on. Shadow, keep as it is. Header icon, no need to change anything. Icon, no need to change anything. Okay, tooltips, no need to make any changes. Keep as it is. So I think this is done for the first one. Okay, now go to the second. Go to the visuals first. X-axis. Select the same thing for this one. Size, make it 10, and this will be black. Title is on, so title you wanted to show it again. Change this into Cambria 10. This will be the black only. Okay, X-axis again on, and range is auto. Let's go to the values and Calibri, make them 10. Color should be the black. Display should be the auto. Titles is on, and let's go to change it Cambria 10. Color is black. Legend, where you want to keep it, it's now again it into the right side, the top right, and remove font size again, make into the Calibri 10 is okay. Size is black. Title, marital status, you want to keep it, otherwise you remove it, but let's keep it. Okay, So this is done. Zoom slider we don't need, bars we don't need because it's already changed. Data label, yeah, let's keep the data label also here on. Series, options, positions, same keep, no issue. The background we don't need it. Tape total labels we don't need it. Okay, so this is done. Let's go to the general and property, no need to check that. Titles, average yearly income by occupation and marital status. Okay, so make them again to Cambria, this to 12, bold, black and mid. Okay, effects, no effects we don't want. Visual borders, make them on. So this is put the one. Header icon, keep as it is, no changes. That is also done. Okay, so these two is done, and let's go to this one. So the same way we can do the formatting for all, but I am just trying to do this one again. So let's go to the visual options. Is region is right center, so yeah, keep at the same place, no need to change anything. Make them to calibrate 10, format them into the 10. I think that's it. Title you want it, yeah, keep as it is title. Okay, because it looks good. And then detailed slicer Australia, something like that. If you want to change anything from here, let's see that if we can in any graph here. I don't think so we need to change. Just see if we can make some changes here to this one. Let's select. No, yeah, it's okay. Data labels, it's on. So data contains what we wanted to make, put it here, what we wanted to show it here. So data values and percentage, category or percentage, total or category or data values. So it's a data value and percentage. Right now we will be putting here. Okay, and values will be again doing some formatting. So Cambridge, Calibri 10 and black, simple. Okay, unit should be the auto, no need to change anything. Percentage, decimal, no need to change anything. Rotation is also no need to change anything. Okay, so go to the general. Let's see anything else is pending from our side for this. Okay, so title is sales amount, or we can say the total sales by region. Okay, so again change to the Cambria. This will be 12 and make it bold. Color should be the black, the dark black. I think that's it for now. So yeah, so I will make this change again. I will make the change for this chart, and I think that's it. So thanks for the watching, and if you like my video, please hit the like button. Thank you very much.